Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So at the beginning I'll show you how to fastly turn it on. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and find the eye comfort icon. All you have to do is to tap on it and let me pick always on, whatever. As you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. So I highly recommend to use this mode if you're a night owl. You can of course turn it off the same way and the screen will get back to its normal state. You can also enter the settings, which I'd like to show you right now, so you can customize this mode just by tapping on this icon and holding it. Your device should open them, but I'll show you the full path of how to get to the eye comfort settings. So let's open the settings first of all and then find the display and brightness. Now we have to scroll and find eye comfort. We have to, of course, first of all turn it on to customize it, and as you can see here we've got some options. So we've got the display effects. You can leave the colors, so you can still see the colors of the toggles, etc., or you can have it black and white and everything will be monochromatic. I prefer the color one. Here you can change the intensity of that feature. Of course you can set it on the cooler side and on the warmer. As you can see here, it is almost orange. You can schedule that feature. You can tap on custom, and as you can see, you can freely pick the start and the end time of this schedule, so your device will apply it and turn on and off this mode accordingly. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to turn on and how to customize the eye comfort mode in your OPPO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.